Woke up this morning and went for a walk. Good morning, sea. Good morning, sun. I wonder what the world is like beyond it.
I don't really care.
Woo! I found a retro ramen shop, so I went in. I wonder how much ramen is eaten overseas. I wonder if people in other countries think it's delicious. I wonder if it's like when a Japanese person eats a French bread with a fish stuck in it. Thinking about that.
The ramen arrived.
It's kind of yellow, egg-covered soup. It looks so unusual. Foreign people must think,
What are you Japanese eating? Super law.
but when I took a bite, I found that it tasted really good. The perfect acidity matched with the mildness of the egg. I've made a video before of some foreigners who were laughing and copying my behavior while I was slurping my ramen. And I'd like to find them and chop them up with a Japanese sword someday. Satisfied, I resumed my walk. It was another satisfying lunch.
Lion Job Self Life Channel